Hi friends, it's Julia. Welcome to my Counterfeit Kit Challenge series for May 2022. This is layout number 8. Yes, I know, it's not May anymore, but this is one of the layouts that I created on International Scrapbook Day weekend, and I was following along with RTS over on her Patreon channel doing the cut apart series. Or cut up series, I think is what she's called it. Anywho, so she starts off with a conglomeration of paper or a collection. I think she started off with an Echo Park collection. I started off with my May Counterfeit Kit Challenge kit. That's why it's still part of my Counterfeit Kit Challenge series. So this is layout number 8, and there will be a total of 12. So I have 5 more to share with you. The first 7 are on my May 2022 Counterfeit Kit Challenge series on that playlist. Anywho, so you can go back to my YouTube channel and check that out if you'd like. But today I have layout number 8, and let me start by showing you the things that I have pulled. The original paper that I have pulled in from my collection are these two. Okay, I did add this basic, no that's not, it's Echo Park This and That by Lori Whitlock, and it is from 2012. I pulled it for this side of the paper for that off-white coloring to be my neutral background, if you will. And then of course I have these, plus I have some leftovers that I've added in, and then I have the potential, if I need more, to add more in. I have a couple of photos that I'm going to use. I have washi tape, and then I have all of my butterflies. You know, that's where my collection started this time, was that butterfly sheet with the newsprint or script on one side and then the colors on the other. So I have all of those, plus ones that I have punched from scraps, plus ones that I have previously stamped. So there's those. I did pull in a ton of little bits and pieces. I have some of those tickets. I have some pieces that I had previously punched from scraps. I have pieces that I have previously stamped and cut out. There's part of a title. That's a wild asparagus, so my mind's eye, more ticket, and a pocket page card there. And I'm thinking I might just pull that flower off that pocket page. And of course that one with the girl and the bee on it from that sticker sheet that I have. I pulled in these leftovers. I have a couple of thin border strips with the yellow that I felt like matched the yellow in that background fairly well. I guess I could use the opposite side that has multicolors on it if I want. Plus this one with the reddish color. So I have that, and then that pocket page card that has a great day on it. I think I'm going to try and use that somehow or another, or maybe just bits and pieces with the blue flowers. More little bits and pieces. This title piece for summer, and this is Très Jolie from 2007, My Mind's Eye. So that's pretty old. That's a tag from one of my collection, and also another tag. I pulled in a couple of sets of enamel stickers, dots, and then hearts. I pulled in both sets of washi tape that came with Freckled Fawn kits that I added in. I pulled in these butterflies, these leftover stickers, and of course you know I'm going to pull in the stickers again. So I have this set from Basic Gray. I'm going to try again to get them used, some of them, maybe a piece of one. Anywho, so I have these 2 sticker sheets. I have this sticker sheet, and I have yet to use one thing from there. So maybe something from there I can get used. And then these stickers. And then I pulled in my green alpha font for my title. Whether I'll be able to use it or not, I don't know. I have a title in mind, but I don't know if it will work with that size. I might have to pull in that smaller set from American Crafts. This set, only because it's so much smaller than this one. So we'll see as I go along. Anywho, I will be back in just a second to show you what I have created. Okay friends, I am done with layout number 8. The things that I didn't use included this piece of paper that I had put in, and I will probably cut this apart depending on how things go. I've cut some more of these apart. I had some smaller ones that I cut apart to have for additional ephemera on different pages, and that's what I brought this paper in for. If I can use it, that's fine as a whole, but I brought it in to fussy cut to make the flowers. So it's not a problem for that to go back into my stash. This alphabet was too big, so I did not end up using that. I did not use the small butterflies, the red butterflies, but I did use several of these paper ones. This sticker set I did not use, but I did have that small little piece off the one section that I did use. So I kind of did use that one, I kind of didn't. So I had pulled in these tickets to use. I cut them apart thinking I was going to use them and then did not use them. So they'll go back into my stash. That's something that I fussy cut that I had previously stamped. There's something I punched out and then I fussy cut around that, the white border around that, and didn't end up using it. I was going to use one of these labels here and I didn't end up using that either. Let me show you what I did use. I told you the paper butterflies. I did use the washi tape. Got some of that used. I did use these red tile stickers for my title. I did use the enamel dots. I used the circles, the dots, and then the hearts. I did not use these. No, I did not use those. I put those in the wrong spot. I did use a sticker from here, from these stickers. I used washi strips from here. And I used washi strips from here. I did cut the flower from here. I did cut the phrase from here. And I did use one of the little strips that I added in from leftovers. And I did use one of the stickers from here. And here is the layout that I created. Now this one is busy with embellishments and busy with washi strips and border strips and colors. But I felt like for a summertime layout, my granddaughter's outside. She's dressed in a colorful pink shirt. Although it doesn't look as colorful as it felt in person, it was much brighter in person than it shows here in the photos. But with all those bright colors, I felt like the layout needed to be bright and bold. So I have a Great Day up here. That's where I cut that out. This chipboard shape and this one down here were ones that I had actually punched out for a previous layout and didn't end up using them. And so I left them on the side of my desk and I just stripped them down, if you will, and pulled off the bulk of the backing from them and then glued them down to the paper that way. I have the punch out circles from scraps that I added in. I have tag here, tag here. There's Forever Our Girl is my title, and then Summer here. There's that one yellow sticker that I cut and made a banner tail on it. There's a washi strip on both those, and I actually cut them in the middle and made them longer. Washi strips down here, washi tape right beside that, more washi strips down here, and then that scalloped edge border here, and then there's that thin yellow border there. So yeah, oh, and there's that piece of the green basic gray sticker there. And then I used the enamel dots, the enamel hearts on the 3 butterflies. And that's done. Another layout is done. This is layout number 8. If you are interested in seeing other layouts from this series, make sure you head over to my channel and check out the playlist called May 2022, or the playlist called Counterfeit Kit Challenge series, where I will have layouts posted there as well. Everything that I make with my Counterfeit Kit Challenge kits goes into that playlist, as well as the kits themselves. So anyway, I appreciate you guys being here, and I will see you on another day for another layout. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.